Welcome to our presentation on building a data center. In today's digital age, data has become one of the most valuable assets for any organization. As businesses continue to grow and expand, the need for efficient and secure data storage becomes increasingly important. This is where a data center comes into play. A data center is a facility used to house computer systems and associated components, such as telecommunications and storage systems. It provides organizations with a centralized location to store, manage, and disseminate their data. Building a data center can be a complex and costly process, but the benefits far outweigh the investment. A well-designed and properly maintained data center can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure business continuity. Selecting the right location for a data center is crucial as it can impact the overall performance and reliability of the system. Factors such as proximity to power sources, access to network infrastructure, and environmental conditions all need to be considered when choosing a location. One important factor to consider is the risk of natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes. It is essential to choose a location that is not prone to these types of events or has measures in place to mitigate the risks. Additionally, security concerns should also be taken into account, including the risk of theft, vandalism, or cyber attacks. Choosing the right design. There are several types of data center designs to choose from, each with their own benefits and drawbacks. The first type is the raised floor design, which involves a floor that is elevated off the ground to allow for cabling and cooling infrastructure to be installed underneath. This design is popular because it allows for easy access to equipment and provides ample space for cabling. Another type of data center design is the slab floor design, which involves pouring a concrete slab directly on the ground and installing equipment on top of it. This design is preferred by some organizations because it eliminates the need for an elevated floor and is more cost-effective. However, it can be more difficult to access equipment and perform maintenance. When choosing the right data center design, it's important to consider the organization's needs and budget. Some factors to consider include the amount of space required, the level of redundancy needed, and the power and cooling requirements. It's also important to work with a qualified data center designer who can help determine the best design for your specific needs. Selecting the right equipment. Selecting the right equipment for a data center is crucial to ensure its optimal performance and longevity. Equipment selection should be based on factors such as power efficiency, scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Some of the key types of equipment that need to be considered include servers, storage devices, network equipment, cooling systems, and power distribution units, PDUs. Each type has its own unique features and specifications that need to be carefully evaluated before making a final decision. Building the data center. Building a data center is a complex process that involves several stages and considerations. The first stage is site preparation, which includes selecting the right location and ensuring that it meets all the necessary requirements. This involves evaluating factors such as power availability, network connectivity, and physical security. The second stage is design and planning, which includes selecting the right equipment, designing the layout of the data center, and ensuring that it meets all the necessary regulatory and compliance requirements. This involves working closely with architects, engineers, and other professionals to ensure that the data center is built to the highest standards. In conclusion, building a data center is a complex process that requires careful consideration of various factors. From selecting the right location and equipment to choosing the right design, every decision can have a significant impact on the performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness of the data center. It is essential for organizations to understand their specific needs and goals in order to build a data center that is tailored to their requirements. By investing in a well-designed and well-equipped data center, organizations can ensure that their critical data and applications are always available and secure. A data center that is built with the organization's needs in mind can also help to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and support future growth. Therefore, it is important for organizations to take the time to plan and design their data center carefully, and to work with experienced professionals who can help them make informed decisions.